Curious about what happens after scheduling your first Executive Maids cleaning? Hi, I'm Heather, one of our client concierges, and I am here to guide you through the process. First, we'll email a link to activate your account in our client portal and e-sign our terms of service. Save this website to view your cleaning schedules, update payment preferences, enhance your cleanings with extra services, and update your email and text reminders preferences. Next, your cleaning professionals will arrive prepared to make your home sparkle. Benefit from a Zoom assessment and inspections, and a follow-up quality control check phone call, which are all part of our premier customer service experience. In addition, you will receive a quick scorecard after every cleaning. It takes just a few seconds to rate your cleanings. Your feedback after each cleaning is paramount to us and to your cleaning professionals. So give us a call to discuss your home and your cleaning needs and any questions or concerns you may have about hiring a professional cleaning service, because we are here to help you.